Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are checking out the DJI Neo 2, a DJI drone that makes flying as simple as possible. Whether you've never flown a drone before or you're looking for something lightweight to take with you anywhere, the Neo 2 is built around one idea: making aerial content accessible for everyone. I had the opportunity to spend a few days testing it, trying out different flight modes and seeing how it performs in real-world situations. So in this video, let's go over some of its main features and see what makes the Neo 2 different from other drones in the DJI lineup. And I have to say, this is the part that actually surprised me the most. The Neo 2 is just a really fun drone to fly. Being able to launch it from your hand, control it with simple hand gestures, and let it automatically capture your shots makes the whole experience feel effortless. One of the first things you'll notice is how lightweight this drone is. And because it's so portable, it's the kind of drone that you're much more likely to bring with you on a hike, a road trip, or just a day exploring outdoors. But what really makes the Neo 2 stand out is how easy it is to fly. Unlike most drones, you don't actually need your controller or your phone to get started. You can simply power it on, launch it directly from the palm of your hand, select one of the built-in intelligent flight modes, and the drone takes care of the rest. It can automatically follow you, orbit around you, or capture different cinematic movements, making it incredibly easy to create content without worrying about flying manually. Another feature that I really enjoyed was the hand gesture control. Instead of reaching out to your controller or phone every time, you can simply use hand gestures to trigger different actions. It's a really convenient feature, especially if you're filming by yourself or you're out hiking and want to capture a quick shot without carrying extra equipment. Now, if you want more control, DJI gives you a couple different options. You can connect your Neo 2 to the DJI Fly app on your phone while accessing additional camera settings. But if you prefer a more traditional fly experience, you can pair it with your DJI RC2 controller. I like that DJI gives you that flexibility. You can start with the simplest way of flying, and as you become more comfortable, move into more advanced controls without having to change drones. Another thing worth mentioning is the battery system. The batteries are incredibly small and lightweight, so carrying a few extra in your backpack is easy. Swapping batteries only takes a few seconds, which means you can spend more time flying and less time waiting. When it comes to safety, the Neo 2 introduces improved obstacle sensing to help the drone better understand its surroundings during supported flight modes. Although it's always important to be aware of your surroundings and fly responsibly, especially if you're flying around trees or other obstacles. Overall, I think the Neo 2 does exactly what it's designed to do. It's not trying to compete with larger drones that offer bigger sensors or more advanced camera systems. Instead, it's focusing on making aerial filmmaking easier, faster, and way more approachable. If you're completely new to drones, travel a lot, or you're simply looking for something that it's incredibly portable and quick to launch, I think the DJI Neo 2 is worth checking out. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.